Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to walk you through the process of inviting someone to a Zoom meeting. So let's get started. So for that, first we need to open our Zoom account. To invite someone in the Zoom meeting, first you need to schedule one meeting. Okay, so for that just click on schedule from here. Here you will see the meeting details like date, time and durations. Okay, you can set it. Once you have filled all the details, now you need to click on save. After saving your meeting details, you will see the meeting screen over here, or you can also click on the meeting icon on the top of the screen, and from here you will see there is an option called chat with everyone, copy invitation, edit and delete. If you want to delete this meeting, you just need to click on delete. And if you want to edit the meeting, that means if you want to edit the timing of the meeting, you just click on edit, and accordingly you can change the time whatever you want. Okay, and now let's invite someone to your scheduled meeting. So for that you need to just click on copy invitation. This will copy the meeting details including the link to your clipboard. You can then paste it into an email, message or social media post to share with your attendance. So I am going to post it in my compose mail. See, and now I can share it. Okay, so this is how you can invite someone to your Zoom meeting. And one more thing, suppose the meeting is already been started. Now you want to send invitation to someone. In that case, what you will do, you just click on participate, and from here you just copy the invite link, and now you can paste it wherever you want to invite the attendance. Okay, so this is how you can invite someone to a Zoom meeting. So go ahead, schedule that meeting and invite your friends and family or colleagues to join you in the virtual world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.